Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is ROOP SANDHU. So today I'm going to be doing another eye makeup look. This is white and brown cut crease, half cut crease eye makeup look. So I have done a white eye makeup for the first time, so I really hope that you guys will like it. If you want to see, then please keep on watching, and if you guys are watching me for the first time, then please make sure you subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell icon. And yeah guys, please give this video a like and leave your comments down below. And now let's start. So first of all, I'm going to do my eye makeup, and for that I'm going to be taking a tape and I'm just going to place it like this, a little away from my waterline like that. So this is just a regular tape. And after that, for eye makeup base, I'm going to be taking this concealer. This one is by Maybelline. It's Age Rewind concealer. The shade I think is Fair. So this is a perfect eyeshadow base. It's very thick, so yeah, you can use this as well. And after that, I'm just gonna be spreading out and just going to diffuse the edges of this concealer. Yeah, and after that I'll be taking this Berries and Cream palette by Dominique Cosmetics, and I'm gonna be taking this shade. This is a very pretty brown, dark brown shade, and I will be taking this on a very small fluffy blending brush, small blending brush, and I'm just going to apply it on my crease. So this is how I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be doing it very slowly. And after that, I'm going to be taking this light nude shade and I'm just going to be diffusing the edges of this brown eyeshadow. I'm using the same brush, but I'm just cleaning off the brush on my hand before going into the another shade. And then I'll be taking this beautiful white shade and I'm just going to apply it on my brow bone like this. So I'm just going to apply it like that, and later on I'm going to blend the nude and this eyeshadow together so that there is a nice transition. And now I have again taken some more nude eyeshadow and I'm just blending the two together. And now again I have gone back to the dark brown eyeshadow and I'm just going to make my crease line even more darker to add more depth in it. And after that I'm going to be taking this white eyeliner. This one is by Colorpop, and I will be taking an angled brush and I'm just going to take a good amount of this eyeliner, and I will be I'm just going to be cutting the crease like this. And after that I'm going to take an earbud and I'm just going to apply some makeup remover on it, and I'm just going to remove that brown eyeshadow just so that there is no more impression of that brown eyeshadow on my crease, on my eyelid. So after that again I'm going to be taking more of that white eyeliner and again I'm going to build up my crease like this. I'm just going to cut my crease again, and this is going to give me an intense white shadow. Yeah. And then I'm just going to cover my eyelid like this, and I'll be just covering half of my eyelid. And after that I'll be taking the white eyeshadow from the same palette and I'm just going to cover this so that it doesn't crease. It's not going to crease actually, it's a nice eyeliner, but I just did that. Yeah. And then after that I'm gonna go back to the brown eyeshadow, and yeah, I'm just going to place it in the outer corners of my eyes. So I'm just gonna make it very much intense in the outer corners, and I have not even removed my tape yet, so this is going to give me a very nice angled effect. And after that I'm just going to be diffusing this brown eyeshadow with the white eyeliner. And after that I'm going to be taking this black eyeshadow from the same palette and I'm just going to add more depth to the outer corners of my eyes. And once I'm done with my eye makeup, I'm just going to remove my tape and I'm going to be doing that very slowly so it doesn't hurt me. And after that I'll be taking a cotton pad and I'm just going to apply some makeup remover, and I'm going to remove anything that was there on my cheeks, any fallout. And then I'll be taking this primer. This one is by NYX. It's Angel Wheel Primer, amazing primer, and I'm just going to apply it under my eyes, on my cheek area, nose, on my forehead as well. And after that I'm just going to spread it all over my face with my fingers very gently. And then after that I'm going to be taking this foundation. This is Maybelline Fit Me foundation. The shade that I have is 230, and I'm just going to apply it on my face with fingers. So I'll be just putting dots all over my face, and after that I'll be taking a damp beauty blender. This one is by CAL Cosmetics, and I'm just going to spread the foundation all over my face, my forehead, everywhere. I'm just going to blend it out. And after that I'm going to be taking a concealer. This is Maybelline Fit Me concealer. The shade that I'm using is 20, and I'm going to apply it under my eyes. I'm just going to very carefully do a cleanup of this eyeshadow like this, so that the angle is there. I'm also going to apply some concealer on my forehead, a little bit on my nose and my chin as well. So this is an amazing concealer. It doesn't dries up very quickly, so you can work with this. Yeah, and then I'm just going to blend out this concealer, and I'm using the same beauty blender. After that I'm going to apply some loose powder, loose finishing powder, wherever I applied the concealer. And this one is by Maybelline. It's Maybelline Fit Me loose finishing powder. The shade is 20, and this is how I'm going to apply everywhere. This is just going to mattify my face, and there are not going to be creases on my face. And then I'm gonna be taking this brow color, again by Colorpop, and I'm going to be doing my brows like that. I'm going to be starting from the top of my brows, and this is how I'm just going to brush off. The brush that I'm using is by Milani. It came with their stapled brow, and yeah, this eyebrow color is amazing, guys. It's really dark and it gives a very nice coverage. And now I'm just gonna do the tail of my brows and brushing off my brows from this beginning point. And now I'm applying a very light amount of that dark brown eyeshadow on my lower lash line. I'm going to be doing that on both of my lower lash line. I'm taking very small amount of that brown eyeshadow, and after that I'll be taking that nude eyeshadow, and I'm just going to diffuse the edges of this dark brown eyeshadow. And now I am dusting off the powders from my face and just blending whatever is left on my face nicely. And after that I'm going to be taking this contour shade. The palette is called Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contour Palette. I'm gonna mention the shade in the description box if you guys want to know. And I'm just gonna contour my face like that. I'm gonna be contouring my forehead as well, and my cheeks, and then I'll be contouring my nose like this. It's an amazing brush. This one is by Shein. I'm gonna mention the link of this also in the description box if you guys are interested. This set is amazing. So yeah, this is how I'm gonna contour my nose. And then I'll be taking this blush. This one is by NYX. It's called Summer, which is a very beautiful peachy summer shade, perfect for summer. Yeah. And then I'll be taking this highlighter. This one is called Precious Petal, and it's again by Wet n Wild. It's amazing. This one is amazing highlighter. So I'm just going to apply it on my cheekbones. I'm also going to apply it on my forehead, my nose, my cupid bows, chin. I'm going to be applying the same highlighter in the inner corners of my eyes, and after that I'm going to be taking this mascara. This is by NYX. It's Worth the Hype mascara, and this is perfect for getting wispier lashes, and I'm just going to apply it on my upper and lower lashes. For eyeliner, I'll be taking this Nykaa Get Inked Sketch Eyeliner, and I'm just going to apply it very much close to my lashes. I am not going for a winged eyeliner or long winged eyeliner. I'm just going to be applying it near my lashes, just like that. And after that, I'm going to be putting these false lashes. These are by Rufa Beauty, and these are called Faris. And then I'm going to be taking this beautiful liquid lipstick. This one is by Kylie Cosmetics X KKW collection, and the shade is called Double Trouble. It's a beautiful nudish, brownish nude shade. So I'm just going to be applying on my lips without any outlining. So yeah, I'm just going to give another coat of this liquid lipstick. And after that, I'm just going to be setting my hair, and then I'll be taking this beautiful piece of jewelry. It's a hair jewelry, and I'm just going to place it on my head like that. And with that, this look is absolutely complete. I really hope that you guys like it. And as I promised in the beginning of this video that I'm going to be mentioning the dupes of this eyeshadow, this eye look, I'm going to be doing that right away. But before that, please give this video a like, and also let me know in the comment section what you think about this look. And now I'm going to show you guys the dupe. So first of all, I'm just going to apply some concealer on my arm, and then I'm going to be taking this brown eyeshadow. So I'm just going to do a swatch of this brown eyeshadow as we used it in our look, and then I'll be taking this shade. The palette is called Revolution Pro Trend Mischief Mattes palette. So I'm going to be taking the combination of these two colors. It's a very dark brown and a little bit lighter brown warm shade. So yeah, the combination of these two looks very much similar to the Dominique Cosmetics shade. On eyelids, it's going to be looking very similar. And then I have this eyeliner by Colorpop, and the dupe for this can be any white pencil. You can find them in NYX. This one is by Essence. Don't try NYX white eyeshadow base. That one is very creamy and it's not going to be perfect for this. So yeah, that was all about this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys a lot. Take care. I'm going to see you in my next video.